The government is now stepping up its defence modernisation drive, with now the Defence Acquisition Council clearing proposals worth nearly 80,000 crore rupees today. Sharmila, first up, help me understand, how are you looking at this entire defence move that has started? Of course, there have been time and again these kind of proposals that the DAC has taken through this year, 2025, and the Make in India proposals that the government constantly focuses on. What's your thought as far as the defence talks are concerned? Are they here for a sharp run-up even in the new year, 2026?
Very similar to what we were discussing about metals. Again, defence as a play. If you had asked me this question 10 years ago, I would have said yes. These are all very steady sort of state companies. Orders are niche companies. Whether it's an Engineers India, whether it's a BML, whether it's a BEL. All these companies, that the orders that go to them will go to them, and they are long gestation orders. It takes time for it to show in their profit, etc. But what has really changed in the last couple of years? One is, of course, this whole Make in India that we've been seeing, and the increased orders that these companies have been getting. And also the fact that the way geopolitics has played out, not just globally, but even for us as a country over the last 4 or 5 years, has definitely put this sector in the spotlight. And we have seen that whether it's the shipbuilding companies or Hindustan Aeronautics, they have gotten order books which are much larger than what they were earlier. And the valuations are also fancy. These are not the valuations that one would have been comfortable with. But having said that, this is not a sector, again, that you can really ignore going forward because of the way things have changed. So they were always good, these companies. Their order books were always strong. But now what we have really seen is that the valuations that we were comfortable with earlier, that band has moved much higher. So that's what we need to get comfortable with before we start investing in these companies.
Absolutely. In fact, these approvals, viewers, also include key upgrades for the Army and the Air Force as well, alongside the new systems that are aimed at enhancing operational reach, from refurbishing the T-90 tanks to upgrading Mi-17s, helicopters, and of course to acquire MRSAM missile system as well. The focus is on combat readiness and advanced warfare tools as well. This decision also includes fresh changes in the RFPs, the request for proposals for air-to-air refuelers as well. Let me go across to my colleague from India Today, Shivani, to help us understand what have been the key decisions that have been taken at the Council today and how important are they for the defence sector. Shivani.
See, this happens to be the last Defence Acquisition Council meeting of the year, and the kind of approvals that have been given show the focus on increasing the lethality, the firepower of the Army, Navy and the Air Force, and at the same time to modernize whatever weapon systems we have, be it the Pinaka systems upgrades, be it the SPICE systems or the Astra Mark II missiles for the Air Force. The procurements are going on, and a very important point here, we must tell our viewers that the emergency procurement window that had ended in November this year has been extended up to 15th of January. That means a lot of scope for emergency procurements has been opened up. The fast tracking of the drones acquirement by the forces is going on, and a lot of stress to promote the MSMEs with the help of the industry partners, because a lot of focus has been there on Atmanirbharta and defence, and that's what is very evident with this DAC approval too.
Absolutely, Shivani. Thanks a lot for getting us all of those details through the course of the day as well. So all eyes on the defence space. Most of the stocks have reacted positively to the news flow as well. And therefore, going forward too, it will be important to see how these companies continue to react as well.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.